If you're interested in learning how to edit video just like this, like teleporting videos like this, then this video is for you. So first of all, you record a video just like the way I did in this video. So you jump, like pretend you jump, then move over to the other side, then pretend you are jumping back, you understand? So the next step is to open CapCut app. Once we are in the CapCut app, all we need to do is to select the particular part of the video we want to teleport, you understand? First of all, I'm going to go to the end of the video to get a footage of where, like a footage where I'm not in the video. Yes, let me show you. Yes, this is what I was talking about. So I'll cut and move it to the front. Okay, as you can see. So I'll look for where I jumped. That is from here. See this place I jumped. I'll cut it. Then I'll move to the second place I landed. That is this place. I'll split, delete, then I'll move this in between it. So we're going to be having something like this and this, you get. So let me reduce this. So we're having something like this and this, okay. I think that's okay. Next step, we're going to be adding the transition effect and overlay. So what we're going to do first is to come to this other place, click on this and click on this. Then on this, we're going to use mix. Okay, since we are done with this, let's add the overlay, the disappearing effect overlay here. So click on overlay. So I'm going to add it. Click on spice, then use dodge. Okay, let's move over to this, the next one. Click on overlay, click on it, add, click on spice, dodge, so we'll add one more overlay, this. So let's add the effects. So you can add ripple and shake effect. Go to the effects tab, video effect. You add this ripple. So our ripple effect will start from here. I'm going to end here. So add a shake effect here. And that's all. Thank you for watching this video. If you really learned something from this video, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel because it really helps us to make more videos. See you on the next one.